This is a really pretty little machine. These are the original colors. I don't know if you can see the gold filigree. Just really pretty. It's been well cared for. There's no evidence of rust, or there was no accumulation of grime, as is often seen on an older sewing machine. But we're going to take you for a little test drive here, and we're going to start with a piece of flannel. And this machine has infinite speed control. Watch the way it speeds up and slows down, how smooth it is, and how powerful. So you have absolute control, and when you need to go slow and careful around some complicated part, you can do that. Or if you've just got miles of long straight seams to sew, you can blaze right through them. And reverse, of course. So that's flannel. We're going to sew some denim. It's fairly heavy denim. And we're going to fold it in half. Fold it again and keep folding until we have 8 layers of heavy denim. 8 layers. We're going to tuck that under the presser foot. And sewing 8 layers of denim will be kind of like sewing across a seam in a pair of Levi's, only more so. But as you can see, this fine precision sewing machine has no problem sewing 8 layers of heavy denim. Okay, and here we have some split leather. Split leather. So this is a fine sewing machine that's going to sew pretty much any kind of fabric that you want to put under the foot, and sew a real pretty seam while it's doing it. But not only will this machine sew upholstery and boat covers, things like that, you can also sew quilts, little dresses, baby clothes. Just a real good, versatile machine. Strong and powerful. And you can own this machine. Just go to stagecoachroadsewing.com and click on the right button, and this machine can be yours. And while you're there, look around, because there are some really unique machines there, probably some that you haven't come across before. Every one of them is of good quality, powerful sewing machine. No clunkers, no worn out, used up machines. Most of them are just like this, pretty much pristine.